So hello everyone, we are actually solving problems on this soil water relationship. So in this video also we'll solve one more practice question that has been asked in the problem. So first read the question carefully. A soil sample with specific gravity of solids of 2.70 has mass specific gravity of 1.84. So what has been given in the question? Specific gravity he has given 2.70 and also mass specific gravity he has given. Mass specific gravity is nothing but G suffix m is equal to gamma by gamma W, unit weight of the soil by unit weight of the standard liquid. So and also assume the soil to be perfectly dry. Perfectly dry means here what has to be considered? Dry unit weight of the soil has to be considered. Dry unit weight of the soil has to be considered. So now our formula will become Gm is equal to gamma D by gamma W. Gamma D by gamma W. So this mass specific gravity he has given, how much he has given actually? 1.84. This gamma D we know G gamma W by 1 plus E. G gamma W by 1 plus E. Actually what has been asked in the problem? Void ratio we just have to calculate. Determine the following. Void ratio only we have to calculate. So we already know the relationship between gamma D in terms of specific gravity. Gamma D is equal to Z gamma W by 1 plus C. Z gamma W by 1 plus C. So this is actually gamma D value. In the denominator also gamma W is there. So this gamma W and this gamma W will be cancelled out. Now 1.84 is equal to G value is how much he has given? 2.70 divided by 1 plus E, void ratio. So this void ratio has to be calculated. Now I am sending this 1 plus E to the left hand side direction. So 1 plus E is equal to 2.70 divided by 1.84. So 2.70 divided by 1.84. This is 1.467. I am sending that plus 1 also to this side. Then E value is coming out to be, so this will be around 1.467. Now E value is equal to 0.467. This is as simple as that. So E value is coming around 0.467. Once again I'll explain the question. So he has given specific gravity of solids he has given, and mass specific gravity he has also given. And so while taking the mass specific gravity, we know that mass specific gravity is equal to unit weight of the soil to the unit weight of the standard liquid. But which unit weight has to be considered? So for that he has mentioned in the problem that take the soil to be perfectly dry. That means the dry unit weight of the soil has to be considered in the problem. So and then after that it is clear for you, I think. So this is all about this problem. In the next video I'll solve one more practice question. So thanks for watching my video. If my content is useful for you, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.